Are you feeling the pinch of high inflation and skyrocketing prices? Wondering if it's still worth considering homeownership in today's uncertain times? Well, we've got some helpful information to consider. Keep watching.
Hi, it's Doug and Rachel, and in today's video, we'll reveal why buying a home can actually shield you from rising costs, protect you from rent hikes, and provide stability in the face of economic uncertainty. If you're new to our channel, welcome and thanks for watching. I'm Doug, and this is my wife, Rachel, and together we make up the Swardstrom Group with our team at Coldwell Banker Luxury Realty, located here in Orange County, California. Every week, we bring you informative videos covering the current state of the housing market, along with valuable tips to help empower you in making the best decisions for your real estate journey, in addition to our property tours. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, an investor, or a seller looking to stay informed, our content is tailored to provide you with the most up-to-date information and insights. Join us as we guide you through the exciting and ever-changing world of real estate, helping you make informed decisions every step of the way. We love what we do, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode.
So let's get into today's topic: why owning a home helps protect against inflation. So you may be feeling the effects of high inflation in your daily life, with prices of groceries, gas, and other essentials constantly on the rise. As a renter, you might be particularly affected as your monthly rent continues to increase. Given these elevated costs and uncertainty surrounding a potential recession, you may be questioning whether it's still wise to buy a home or sell a home in these current circumstances. The simple answer is yes, and here's why.
Home ownership provides a shield against the escalating cost brought about by inflation. According to Freddie Mac, not only will buying today help you begin to build equity, a fixed-rate mortgage can stabilize your monthly housing costs for the long term, even while other life expenses continue to rise, as has been the case in the past few years. Unlike rents, which tend to increase over time, a fixed-rate mortgage remains predictable throughout the duration of the mortgage, typically spanning 15 to 30 years. In a time when the cost of most goods and services are rising, maintaining a stable housing payment becomes especially important. You can really have peace of mind knowing that the biggest monthly payment you have is a set number, which can lead you to know how to plan for your other finances.
On the other hand, renting is an alternative to homeownership, and rent tends to move in tandem with inflation. As inflation rises, your monthly payments rise and are likely to increase as well. Take a look at the graph on the screen and you'll notice how the green line, which represents rent growth, follows the blue line, which represents inflation rate.
On the other hand, a fixed-rate mortgage allows you to safeguard yourself against future rent hikes. With inflation still at high levels, when it's time to renew your rental agreement, your property manager may decide to raise your rent. In fact, a recent survey reveals that 73% of property managers plan to raise rents over the next 2 years. One of the significant advantages of homeownership is that it provides you with a stable monthly housing expense during times of economic uncertainty. If you continue to rent, you won't enjoy the same benefit and won't be as protected against rising costs. Finally, and most important, as inflation rises, so does your home value and your equity in your home. The loan-to-value ratio, LTV, of your mortgage will also decrease as the value of your home goes up.
So, what's the bottom line? Having a stable housing payment is particularly crucial during periods of high inflation. We want to encourage you to get in touch with us so we can further discuss and guide you in thinking through homeownership or moving, to help give you a more secure feeling during these changing times.
Rachel and I want to thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in making better decisions in the housing market. And remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to equip you with the latest insights and tips to navigate the world of real estate with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up in the likes below and share it with others who might benefit from the information. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for our channel for more valuable content like this. We have some great videos coming up soon. So until next time, take care.